Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We know that email marketing is a powerful tool to move your audience along the marketing funnel, building trust along the way and ultimately leading to a sale. But the success of all these steps that you take throughout email marketing is dependent on one very important asset, and that is your email list. So today I'm going to be discussing strategies to build your email list from scratch, step by step. Let's get started. So number one is sign up to an email marketing software. Now I know that this may seem obvious, but it is a really important first step. Whether you choose MailChimp, Klaviyo, OmniSend, MooSend, or one of the many others out there, you need to choose one that aligns with your budget needs and the features that you want. I use Klaviyo for most of my e-commerce clients. I think they have a free version until you reach 250 subscribers. And I find that it's a great platform for all my e-commerce needs, and it integrates directly with Shopify. Having the software in place will allow you to start to collect and store your customer data, as well as to connect with your customers through email. You're going to need to make sure that the email software that you use is integrated with the e-commerce platform that you're using. And this is usually pretty easy to do, and you'll follow the step-by-step guide of the specific software that you are using. Secondly, you want to create a first order discount pop-up. Now, this is something that every e-commerce store should have in place. This is basically a sign-up form that pops up when someone visits your store, and it offers people some kind of incentive or first order discount or free shipping in exchange for their email address. Here are some do's and don'ts when you are setting this up. Firstly, do's. So you do want to ask for people's first name in the sign-up form so that you can start to personalize emails from the get-go. You do want to set up the pop-up that it only shows after people are on the page or on your website for more than 6 seconds. We don't want it to pop up immediately, as this can be a little bit annoying. Thirdly, you want to set up an email automation that sends people that discount code or that incentive by email the moment that they subscribe. And lastly, on the confirmation page, so once people have signed up, you want to include again that specific code or incentive and a button for them to go and shop immediately. Some don'ts to think about. So you don't want to show this pop-up to all visitors. It should only show to new visitors, not existing profiles, as this is likely going to annoy current subscribers. And you also don't want to ignore the mobile optimization side of things. You want to check that this pop-up works, that people can see it, that they can click in and out of it easily on mobile too. So make sure that it's mobile optimized. So now you've got your first order pop-up in place for people who are visiting your site. What else can you do to build your list? So now we're going to step number 3, where you can create a compelling lead magnet that offers people value in exchange for their email address. Now, although the first order discount does actually qualify as a lead magnet, there are actually no limits to the number of lead magnets you can create. You want to think about what value can you provide to your target audience, what question can you answer for them, and then give it to them in the form of an ebook, a PDF, a webinar, a video, or some kind of checklist or guide. Here are some examples. So let's say you are a running gear brand. Maybe you want to create a training plan for a half marathon and give that in the form of a PDF. Perhaps you're a cosmetics brand and you can create a video tutorial on how to do a full glam look. Perhaps you're a hormone balancing supplement brand and you want to put together an ebook on the latest research in lifestyle, diet, and fitness, all around how to support healthy and balanced hormones. So these are just some examples. You want to think about what value you can provide and then the best format to kind of share that value. So the fourth thing you want to do, now you've got your lead magnet in place, is you need to create a converting landing page that kind of screams the value of this lead magnet and invites people to sign up to access this free resource. So you're going to need a strong headline, a clear call to action, social proof, clear benefits, like what people can expect from using this resource, the transformation that they can expect, how it's going to change their life, all the value that they're going to get, perhaps some testimonials, and then a little bit more about the brand and why you are an authority on the subject within this niche. Your call to action buttons can be scattered throughout, but you want them all leading to the same sign up form where you collect people's first name and email in exchange for this resource. So you've got everything in place, and now it's just a matter of promoting your lead magnet. You want to promote this free lead magnet wherever you can. So you're definitely going to want to look at social media, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Include your lead magnet landing page link in the bio of all of your accounts. You want to create content around the topic of your lead magnet and then invite people to access the free resource. I would include calls to actions in my YouTube descriptions and link to this lead magnet wherever I can throughout blog posts. Step 6, we want to leverage other ways to build our audience and our list. Now, there are so many ways to do this, so I'm going to run through a few ideas. So the first idea is to host a giveaway in collaboration with an influencer or a brand within your niche. Require people to sign up to enter this giveaway, and better yet, use a platform or software like Gleam.io to encourage multiple entries, network effects, and social sharing to really increase the reach of this giveaway and get new people and new audiences involved. You could host a webinar or an online event that requires people to sign up in order to gain access. If you're starting out, it might be worth inviting a guest to your webinar where there is crossover in terms of your audience and the things that you speak about, and where you can provide value to both of your collective audiences. Thirdly, you can use marketplace platforms like Gumroad or Amazon to promote your product. So you use specific keywords in SEO to drive traffic through these new channels. I actually want to do a video specifically on leveraging Gumroad to build your list. So comment yes below if that sounds interesting to you. And lastly, we get to step number 7, which is just about how you engage with your email list. If there are 2 rules that you can follow, let these be them. Firstly, be consistent, and secondly, add value. This is going to get you far in the long run. How you engage with your audience and your list is going to play a big role in the quality of your overall list and also in the willingness of these people to buy from you when you do try and sell. You might even find that through the value that you're offering, your list starts to grow through referrals because people are gaining so much each day, week, or month that you're posting or sharing content that they tell their friends about it. It really is a long-term strategy and something that you must consistently work on and grow over time. Excuse my dog in the background. So good luck. I hope that this video has been helpful, that these strategies are going to help you on your way to growing your email list. Please let me know what you think in the comments, if you have any more ideas or feedback and anything else you would like to learn about. If you are looking for the step-by-step guide to implementing email marketing in your e-commerce business, then you've come to the right place, and definitely check out my guide to email marketing for e-commerce. The link is in the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.